Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make files in zip format. Zipping files is a fantastic way to manage your digital content efficiently. It helps you reduce file sizes, making them quicker to send via email or upload to cloud services. Plus, it bundles several files into one neat package, which is super handy for keeping related documents together. We'll cover the simple steps to create these compressed archives on both Windows and Mac OS, ensuring your files are organized and optimized. For Windows users, creating a zip file is incredibly straightforward. First, navigate to the files or folders you want to compress in File Explorer. Select your desired items. Then, simply right-click on the highlighted selection. From the context menu, hover over Send To, and then click on Compressed Zipped Folder. A new zip archive will instantly be created in the same directory, typically named after one of your selected files, ready for easy sharing or storage. Mac users will find zipping files equally simple. Begin by opening Finder and locating the files or folders you intend to compress. Select your desired items. Then, right-click or control-click on any of the highlighted items. A contextual menu will appear. From this menu, simply choose the Compress Items option. Mac OS will then create a new zip archive, usually named Archive. Zip in the same folder, making your files compact and ready for sharing. Zipping offers several key advantages. It significantly reduces file sizes, saving valuable storage space on your devices and cloud services. This also simplifies sharing, as you can send one single file instead of many. For best practices, always give your zip files clear, descriptive names for easy identification. If zipping sensitive information, consider using a password to protect the archive, adding an extra layer of security. This ensures your data is both compact and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.